welcome back to Jazzy Nails. So today we have another Madam Glam swatch session. So let's get into it, starting with this sexy red. It's called Legacy, but it's the definition of sexy red. Look at this. I cannot wait to do some red tips with these, like some red bottom nails. It's the perfect color. And that's just one coat. Here we are with the second coat. And then we have bold white. It's the white color, and it's a very pigmented, y'all. Like, she's a one and done. Look at that. So like I said, that's one coat, y'all. I really appreciate a top coat that just gives me one and I'm done. And then this is this pretty sparkly blue color. There she is after two coats. I love that. And then this Glam Parade, I'm obsessed. I'm in love. This is the perfect color for a bling nail. If you're ever doing a bling nail, I always do a sparkly coat behind it, and just look at it. It shines bright like diamonds. I love her. And then Celebration is giving very much 4th of July party, summer vibes, cookout, all that. You love America. And I would put this over a white top coat so you can see all that fun glitter. And you can always use code Jazzie35 to save on all of your Madam Glam orders. Now let's get into this really easy Fireworks design. So first I'm gonna go in with bright blue. I'm gonna use 2 coats of that. There's 1 coat of the bright blue color, and then I'm gonna go in with my second coat. So pretty. And then we're gonna cure that, and then I'm going in with this magnetic cat eye gel polish, and it's a silver color, and I'm gonna go in over that. And I did this so you could see the fireworks better on this color, and then it gives it a really cool, like, you know how cat eye does. So look at that. Ooh. So, oh my gosh, look at that. I love cat eye gel. So we're gonna cure that, and then I'm gonna do another layer just to give it some more dimension. So let's get into drawing the fireworks. I'm going to use bold white from Madam Glam, and then I'm going to figure out where the explosion of the firework is going to be. So I'm just going to have a point for where the fireworks come out from, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to go in and draw the fireworks. So I start from the end and put some pressure on the brush just to make it a little thicker. And then when I'm going towards the center point, then I lift up just so it goes from a little bit fatter to thinner. And I also want to give a big shout out to TTYL Nails. I'm gonna leave his video linked in the description box that I was inspired by. His technique in general is just something that you guys need to watch. But he did a video on fireworks, and I was very much inspired by that. So I always want to give credit where it is due, and link that video in the description so you guys can check him out too. Alright, so once I'm happy with the white placement for the fireworks, I'm going to go in with Legacy Color, that red color. And this is glow pigment that I got from Amazon. And then I'm going to mix in the Madam Gel top coat. You can use a base coat. Just a top coat or a base coat. Just mix all of that together. And this is going to give me the red glow that I'm looking for. You can also get a red glow gel polish, but y'all see I just mix it up myself and load that onto my brush. And then I'm gonna go over one of the fireworks with this red. It doesn't have to be perfectly on that white. You actually want it to overlap and be like a shadow on the white as well. So no need for precision here. You're just trying to get that color onto the white and then overlap it to give it some shadow. Alright, then we're going to cure that and do the same technique with the blue. I have this blue. The one from Madam Glam was very shimmery and it was not working, so I had to find a different blue. So you can use any blue gel polish that you like. And then I had a blue glow pigment, and then I just mixed it up with the Madam Gel top coat. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And I added the gel polishes because the pigment, the glow pigment on its own isn't enough to give you that opacity, that color that you need. So yeah, I had to mix in just a little drop of each of those colors. And then I'm just doing the same thing that I did with that red glow. I'm doing the same thing with the blue on the other firework. Okay, and once the glowing pigment is cured, I'm gonna go back in with the bold white color and just go back over the fireworks. This is just gonna add dimension and make it pop. And I'm doing the same thing on the other firework. All right, y'all, stay with me. So we're gonna cure this and then we're gonna go back over it with that glowing pigment again. I know it seems very repetitive, but it's just for the dimension and the color. You never want to have a flat nail. So this is just all these extra little steps is just going to give your nail that extra dimension compared to someone who stopped at the step ahead or the step before. Okay, and once that has been cured, now we're gonna go back in with that bold white, and we're not going over the glow pigment. We're just gonna go in between and just adding in white firework lines between just where you see fit in little random spots. It doesn't have to be between every single blue. It can just be sporadic or random. If random means sporadic, then yeah. Okay, so we're gonna cure that and then I'm gonna get Glam Parade out. But I want Glam Parade to still be really shiny, but the rest of the design I want it to be matte. So first I'm gonna go in and just top coat it with a matte top coat. And once it's been cured, then I'm gonna go in with the Glam Parade color and add in the finishing touches for the fireworks. Now you need to cure it so the glow charges, but check that out, you guys. And this is the final design that I came up with. Happy 4th of July, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and learned a quick, easy way to do fireworks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, thank you so much for watching.